Hello everyone, and welcome to this new high-tech video. Today we're going to talk about soundbars. Indeed, with even larger screens, the space available to install a quality audio system is getting smaller and smaller. In this video, we're going to present to you the 5 best soundbars. Before you start, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss any new videos on our channel. Let's not waste any time, here we go. Number 1. Samsung HWN400. We start our selection with the famous Samsung industry, known for its telephones and other connected objects, but also for its soundbars. The model we present today is the Samsung HWN400. Its ultra-compact design and its multiple options can only suit you. This soundbar is equipped with Bluetooth wireless connection to connect to your TV, but also your smartphones or tablets, without being cluttered by wires and ensuring a more modern and less charged look to your room. The Samsung HWN400 bar has 4 built-in speakers, equipped with a sound amplifier and the wideband tweeter device that extends along the entire room of the soundbar to ensure the best sound quality and spread to a wider angle in your room. This guarantees optimal sound quality. Thanks to surround sound expansion technology, sound is projected around your listening space and promises total immersion in your favorite movie or program. In addition to the immersion technology, the Samsung HWN400 soundbar is equipped with a subwoofer and can be completed with wireless rear speaker kit of the same brand, connected to the soundbar that allows you to create a true surround sound without the clutter of a single wire. Finally, a connected application is available to control your soundbar from your sofa, change the volume, and access different options in a more convenient way. You can also use a connected remote control that's compatible with your Samsung devices. With its sleek lines, its wireless TV connection system, and its immersive effect technology for a price below €200. The Samsung HWN400 soundbar has an excellent value for money. Number 2. Yamaha YIS209. We continue our video with a Japanese company known in different fields, including consumer electronics. The model we chose today is the Yamaha YIS209, a discrete soundbar with a modern design. The YIS209 soundbar is equipped with the famous Alexa voice command system, designed by Amazon, that will allow you to control your soundbar with your voice. The immersive 3D sound produced by the soundbar is ideal for home cinema installations, broadcasting sounds above and around your listening area. Equipped with DTS Virtual X technology, the YIS209 literally immerses the audience in a breathtaking 3D sound universe. A wireless subwoofer can be added to enjoy dense bass while still being able to install the subwoofer you want in your room. The compact size of the YIS209 soundbar is thin enough to fit under many TVs in infrared port, and it can also be wall-mounted. The soundbar also has a clear voice option to enhance movie or series dialogue and make voices stand out more clearly. In addition, you can listen to your favorite music in streaming, since the system is compatible with Spotify and Amazon Music. In addition to enhanced bass and various options, the soundbar features 2 microphones for easy access to Alexa's voice control. Yamaha offers a mobile application to control YIS209 soundbar from your smartphone and can adjust the different settings. You modulate the volume as you wish. The soundbar receives good comments and positive feedback from different users who seem satisfied with its use. Number 3. DALI Katch One. The third soundbar we present to you today is the DALI Katch One soundbar. This soundbar, in its original and uncluttered design, is easy to use and impresses with its ability to reproduce the smallest details of music and movies to perfection. The DALI Katch One offers 3 different mounting systems. It can be installed under your TV, thanks to the leather straps that hide your electrical wires and enhance its elegance. You can also position the Katch One on a shelf using its real wood support, which allows you to uncouple it from its support. Finally, if the space is limited, the DALI Katch One can be directly mounted on the wall thanks to the integrated device on the back. The automatic switch on is activated the optical input dedicated to your TV set. In this way, the Katch One switches on as soon as you turn on your TV. The cabinet and front panel of the Katch One are made of fiberglass reinforced ABS. This material allows you to design a platform that optimizes airflow, expands the stereo image, and helps direct sound into the listening space. With its 10 built-in speakers, this soundbar ensures music reproduction worthy of a hi-fi system and delivers deep, controlled bass for even more realistic action scenes. The DALI Katch One soundbar has two sound options, wide and focus. The wide option delivers a dynamic, full, and punchy sound that can fill a large listening room. This soundbar is compatible with all kinds of devices such as a TV, smartphones, tablets, subwoofers, or Google Chromecast via USB. This model is available in three colors, white, black, and gray. With its modern and discreet design, the Katch One soundbar is suitable for modern and sleek interiors. The DALI Katch One soundbar remains one of the most versatile and practical soundbars in the selection and offers performance that meets the expectations of its different users. Number 4. Sony HTG700. Our next soundbar has been designed by the Sony company. We no longer present this Japanese company giant of technology. The Sony HTG700 bar remains a must for soundbars. This soundbar features state-of-the-art surround sound technology. The three front speakers produce vertical sound to create virtual surround sound for total immersion. There's no need for rear add speakers anymore. The sound produced by the bar goes around your space. Thanks to Sony's virtual surround sound technology, the soundbar delivers sound vertically, so you can enjoy 3D sound without having speakers that are mounted on the ceiling or rising from the floor. The dedicated center speaker allows voices to be heard accurately. It's also great for music. The HTG700 soundbar has Bluetooth and an HDMI jack to connect to your TV. The soundbar has a button for each sound to match what you're listening to, all divided into 4 buttons for 4 different options. The cinema mode immerses you in the heart of the movie. The music mode allows you to listen to your music down to the last detail. Voice mode lets you customize sound settings to accentuate voices, ideal for news or features. Finally, a night mode allows you to not miss anything from your program while keeping the volume low. All these options make the Sony HTG700 soundbar stand out from the other models in this selection by offering original options and a versatile soundbar that adapts to all day-to-day situations while maintaining performance. Number 5. Bose Soundbar 700. We end this video with a sophisticated soundbar with clean lines designed by the well-known audiovisual company Bose. With its discrete custom-designed speakers, the Soundbar 700 soundbar offers good clarity despite its ultra-thin design. Its phase guide technology works with tiny speakers to redirect sound beams back to the listener. The soundbar features Alexa Voice Assist, a light bar included to indicate whether the soundbar is listening, thinking, or talking. The Soundbar 700 has a configuration of 8 microphones for clear voice capture. Even if you're listening to music at full volume, the soundbar will hear you. The Bose Soundbar 700 Universal Soundbar Remote is included with your soundbar purchase and lets you manage all your entertainment at the touch of a button. It has 6 presets and turns on only the buttons you need right now, so you can easily access your favorites. The Soundbar 700 features audio calibration technology that adapts to the specifics of your room for a better listening experience. Its recessed ports lets more sound through a smaller opening. To watch TV without disturbing those around you, you can connect your Bose headphones with the Bose Simple Sync system to continue to enjoy quality sound while still using your soundbar. Design-wise, the Bose soundbar features a tempered glass surface, metal grille, and clean lines. The soundbar model is available in black or white depending on your preference. Classic colors that will fit your interior design and remain unobtrusive. You can purchase speakers and subwoofers in addition to the Bose Soundbar 700 for a fully immersive experience. This video is now finished. We hope you enjoyed it. You can find the product's links in the info bar as usual. Don't forget to like this video to support the channel and subscribe to see or review our videos. See you soon for a new high-tech video. Take care and goodbye. Hey everybody, it's Nathan, the English voiceover guy for aTech English. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to hear more from me, you can find my channel here on YouTube. It is Nathan Blake Games. We play indie horror games. We always have a good time. And you can find a link in the description and on the end card. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and sayonara.